for their price point, whatever they want to pay for. How do we balance the segment? So now we have two type of segment. One is traveling individually, one is traveling in the groups, the groups of more than 10 rooms and less than 10 rooms. So how we manage the segmentation, because the groups, when they are coming, they are paying a low price, but they come in a very bulk quantity, and they may provide operational challenges. They may also provide operational opportunities as well. They may provide meeting rooms, they may be providing business for spa, they may provide business for other functions of the hotel. While FIT, there is no compulsion for them. They may use the services, they may not use the services. So FITs usually are unpredictable, which we cannot really predict based on the how well they will use they will come or they will not come. There is very limited control on the FITs. We can just only promote our hotel, but the decision is depend on their perception, depend on the political condition, depend on the social economic situation, not only in our country but also in their country or in neighboring countries as well. For example, if let's say we are living in a country where there's a political disturbance, then they definitely, the FITs will not want to come because they don't want to take the risk, and they may want to go to other countries. While if even if there's nothing else happening in our country, in other country there is a political disturbance, so the business can move to our country. So there is a difference, there is a high unpredictability in, especially in current scenario. There are new destinations. So FITs, normally the adventurers, the millennials, they want to move to the new destination, they want to try out new things, they want experiences in the hotel. So if they have already visited the destination for one time, two times, three times, they may not want to come anymore because they have already seen it, unless we are providing certain really brand experiences, or the city has something very unique to offer, where they may want to come over and over again. For example, Bangkok, people may want to go once in a year, twice in a year, even three times in a year, and they may go over and over and over again. They may not get tired with it, but certain locations are not that great. So the peoples may want to visit one time, two times, and after that they may not want to visit. Okay, the other characteristics of FIT is that they are big spenders. They are high spenders. They pay normally the highest price, even though they book directly or they book via certain other channels, distribution channels, or travel agent offline. So they will pay you a highest price, and they expect a very high quality of service as well. They want personalized services because they come individually, so they want individualized service as well. While for the grow, you can provide a certain set menu, certain buffet, certain group benefit, group check-in, check-out. But FIDs need individual. They need individual personalized service. They need personal attention. So you can there is a lot of work that requires FIDs, but they pay the highest price as well. They are highly profitable. And then also, so we need to manage the FIT business very efficiently. While on the other hand, the group business is relates to high volume but lower rates, and they are predictable. Sometimes we can predict one in the next year they will come back again or not, or we know in advance how many rooms are coming, how many rooms are not coming. If we know the groups, we have a certain level of certainty that this kind of business will come to our property for 100%. We can plan our resources, we can plan our occupancy, we can plan our manpower, resources, or supply chain easily with the groups. The groups also pose a certain challenge on the other services, because they may be coming for a special purpose. They may not be using the services which are provided in the hotel for other purposes, for spa, transportation, individual outlets, room service. They may not want to use it. They may use mostly the meeting facilities or the rooms only, but it depends on the purpose of the group. Some special purpose groups, they consume everything in the hotel because they just come for relaxation. For example, like golf groups, or just relaxation groups, or rehabilitation groups. So those customers, so we want to maximize our business based on those groups as well. and it ideal for low season, especially during when there's not much of FITs coming, there's not much of weekend individual traveler. So the group need to manage the any hotel need to balance the two segments. One, groups are ideal for providing a base occupancy to cover the fixed cost, and FITs are ideal for maximizing the profits, to maximizing the yield over the property. So we have to strike a right balance, maybe 50-50, 70-30, 30-70, depending on the city, depending on the location, depending on the hotel's ability to cater the different demands. So the hotel revenue manager need to identify what is the ideal segmentation or ideal balance distinction between the two segments. Now let us understand the demand.